Hey guys, in this video I am going to be showing you how to stake your Pancake token on Pancakeswap, using Trust Wallet. Step 1, click on D apps and select Pancakeswap. Step 2, click on the menu option and select Pools. Step 3, select the coin that you wish to stake. I will be staking my cake token for this tutorial. Step 4, click on Start Staking. Enable it and then approve. Step 5, enable again and approve. Step 5, click on Stake and then input the amount that you wish to stake. Step 6, click Confirm. And then approve. The coin has successfully been staked. This is where you can view the profits of your staking. Now let's take a look at the wallet to see if the coin is still there. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.